is this video, the key is how can you lose your weight is only and only. Hey guys, I'm Afreen and thanks for tuning my channel. So as you seen my title and as you seen my thumbnail, so you know that what is the topic, that's why you click it. So yes, in this video I will tell you how can you lose your post pregnancy weight. So guys, you know that you can't go for any heavy exercise or any heavy workout. Also you cannot do or you cannot go for diet. Yes, so now how can you lose your weight without doing any exercise and without going any diet? Yes, so in this video I will tell you how you can lose your post pregnancy weight. But guys, first a very important thing which you have to be stick in your mind, that is, guys, you cannot force yourself to lose your weight fast because in this stage your body is recovering. So give your body to enough time to recover it, okay guys, because your body is going through major changes, like changes of your emotions, changes of your hemoglobins, changes of your hormones, changes of your mood, emotions. There's a lots of major things which is going through in your body right now. So don't force yourself to lose weight fast, immediate, okay guys. And instead of that, you have to force yourself to be fit. How can you fit right now? Because now you are a mother, you have lots of responsibility, so you should be a responsible mother. For that you have to think how can you be fit. But yes, I also tell you how can you lose your weight. So in this video I will tell you do's, don'ts and one myth. Don't think like this that you have to be reduce your weight in 1 month or 2 months. Don't make any kind of boundaries, just go with flow. So if you will be patient, then I assure you that you will definitely lose your weight. And also you can reduce your tummy fat. Or we talk on don'ts. So first thing is you don't skip your breakfast. Second tip is don't sit for a long time. Either you can go for a walk, you can do little walk, or you just lay down, but don't sit for longer time. And a third point is don't have junk food, packaged food, outside food. Have your home food and have ghee, have rice, and this kind of good carbs you should have to have because of your health, good health. So now move on to do's. What you have to do is, first thing is you have to have a boiled water, only and only boiled water instead of RO water or normal water. Second thing is you have to have ajwain after every meal, or you can make a powder of ajwain, zeera and kala namak. And a third point is you have to feed your baby. You have to give breast milk to your baby. It will help to reduce your weight. Also, you know guys that how much important breast milk is for your baby. So feed your breast milk to your baby. It will also help to reduce your weight, believe me. And fourth point is have light food or light meal, because it will easily digest. And the last thing and the very important thing is walk. So guys, as introduction of this video, I also told you that you can't go for any heavy exercise, you cannot go for any diet. Then what should you have to do to lose your weight? So the key is this video, the key is how can you lose your weight is only and only walk. You can start a walk after 48 hours of your delivery. If you can't do it by your own, then you can hold anything and just walk around. You can take any stick and just little by little you can start walk after 48 hours of your delivery. If you have delivery, a C-section delivery, then you cannot go for heavy exercise at least till 5 to 6 months. And if you have a normal delivery, then also you cannot go for heavy exercise at least till 2 to 3 months, or in fact you have to ask to your doctor also. So walk is only key by which you can lose your weight. You can take your baby and go for a walk, you can take any stroller, or you can take simply your baby in your arms and go for a walk, little walk. I'm not telling that you go for any ground, any park, just you can walk around in your room itself. It's completely enough. And day by day you have to increase your walking time, your walking distance, so it will definitely help to reduce your weight. In fact, this is the only key by which you can reduce your post pregnancy weight. And now lastly, we talk on one myth which is completely wrong. Maybe also around you there's some people who keep saying that you can't have lots of water, otherwise you will get lots of fat. So guys, this is completely wrong. You have to have lots of water, at least 2 to 3 liter of water in per day. So don't believe that kind of person, old person. Believe to your doctor, because water is very important now this time, as you know how much your body is recovering, how much changes is happening in your body. So water is very important. Have 2 to 3 liter of water per day. Stick in this rule. This also can help to reduce your weight, believe me. So guys, in this video that's it. And this video is for both normal delivery person or operation delivery person. So but also I have one more video for C-section person. If you want to watch this video, that another video, you can go and watch. I will give that video in I button upside. You can click that and you can watch it. So in that video I just share some points about C-section. So guys, I hope you like this video, and I hope this video helps you. And I just want to help a mother who just really want to be fit and who just really want to lose your weight, because I know how much important it is. And guys, if I forget anything to mention in this video and anything more you want to know about it, then please leave me a comment. I love to share this. I really love to share this. And guys, if you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and do share the video. And yes, I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.